Everyone, thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime that I upload a video you will be the first person to be notified, and then you come and learn together. My name is John Caleb. I'm doing tutorial about human resource and also workplace tips. In this tutorial or in this video, I'm going to talk about rewiring workplace in pandemic era, or rewiring workplace during pandemic era. As we all know that we're still living in pandemic era, and we need to learn on how we can rewire or how we can revive workplace during this pandemic era. Number one way on how we can do this is to prepare. We need to prepare ourselves, and also we need to build capabilities now that are going to help us in future, and also that is going to help us to tackle changes and also to tackle the uncertainties that may arise in future. So by doing this, we need to get the basic right. And these are the we need to be prepared emotionally, we need to be prepared physically, and also we need to be prepared mentally and occupationally. So all these things are going to help us. Once you prepare yourself, it will help you to be ready for anything that is going to come. Take your time to set yourself as to be effective as possible, as much as possible, and also that includes your mindset and also your environment and also your well-being. All these things, your mindset, your well-being, and your environment is going to play a very important role as you prepare to build the capabilities that are going to help you in future. Also, spend time to get things right, and also will ensure that the new habits will be informed as positive as possible. So all these things, that one can help us on how if we prepare, is going to help us on how we can rewire the workplace. Number two is we need to connect. We need to connect, and in connection, we need to seek support, and also we need to support others also at the same time. We need to enhance, and we need also to celebrate others, and also we need to empathize with others who are passing through difficult time. In this uncertainties time and concern, everybody has a role to play, and everybody has a role to play in keeping connection and well-being, being a source of mutual support. Everybody has that as a role to play in where we are working with, where we are working in, or even in school where we are. Keep on checking on somebody, know how they are doing, know how they are faring on, because you never know, maybe things have happened with them, they are suffering emotionally or even physically, but you don't know. So you need to keep on connecting with people so that you know how they are doing. Number three is to perform. In order for us to perform, we need to refocus, and also we need to plan, and also we need to be clear, and also communicate and learn new things. Because during pandemic or during some maybe changes occur, the things that happens, and also if you don't learn, you need to learn new skill. You need to be prepared of how you can tackle the changes and how you can manage the changes and the pace that is taking place all around. So to navigate the speed and the scale in changing, such as uncertainty time, one need to evaluate. You need to evaluate your personal effectiveness and also experiment the way you work, and also you need to ensure you are clear on the current objective and your right priorities add value. This is a very, very important thing, that you need to be clear on your objective and your priorities so that you can add value during this pandemic era. Also, we need to thrive. That is number four. We need to thrive, and in thriving, we need to learn and grow to a brighter future, because we don't know, we are preparing ourselves for the future. So we need to learn and we need to grow. We need to do something, do a course, do a short course that will enable you to be, when changes occur, will enable you to be absorbed in anywhere that you are. Also, you need to do something, aim to combine positivity with realism. If you combine the two, this one will prepare you. Will prepare you to be confident enough, because at least you will not be shocked when changes occur, because there is disruption now, but there will also be recovery. So that's why we need to learn on how we can grow and prepare ourselves for future. We need to manage ourselves and also manage our time in the time of crisis by providing opportunities for development, for new skill. This is the time that you can learn new skill, and also you can learn something that you are good at because there is changes that occurs everywhere. So the opportunity to success, also we need to learn, we need to provide opportunity to success with the people that we're working with, and those that are around us. These one are going to help us on how we can thrive in our, or how we can rewire the workplace at this pandemic era. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell, so that anytime that I upload a video, you will be among the people that are going to be notified, and then you come, we learn together. Thank you.